to come inside so you can see the shimmer better. As you can see, it's not glitter, it's just more of a nice shimmer. Rocky wants to be in the video. And this is a jewelry holder that was in that bronzy color. I got it for $3.99 at Ross, which is like a TJ Maxx, Marshall's Home Goods type of store. I loved the shape, however, it didn't match my vanity. My vanity is more of a gray and silver. So I figured this, you can really see it, would do it. And I will show you it on my vanity with everything. I'm gonna just go over the base with some white chalk paint. I'm light, I still want you to be able to see the wood, but I don't want it all brown. So I'm just gonna give it a light coat and maybe wipe it off, and then I will show you the finished product.